How to sign up for Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can sign up for your Twitch account. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Twitch, twitch.com, and press enter to search it. Once you reach to this interface of your Twitch application, here at the right side you will see sign up option. Click on it and this window will pop up. Here you'll have to enter your username, password, date of birth, and phone number. You can also use your email instead of your phone number to sign up. Fill up these credentials. After entering all your details, click on this sign up button at the bottom. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code and once you get it, enter it here. And there you go, you have successfully signed up for Twitch account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.